Sleeping Beauty volunteers for an experiment. On Sunday, a fair coin is flipped. If heads, she's woken Monday. If tails, woken Monday and Tuesday. After each waking, her memory is wiped. When she wakes, what's her credence the coin came up heads? The Sleeping Beauty problem. A puzzle about probability itself. On Sunday, the coin is flipped. Heads, one Monday waking. Tails, Monday and Tuesday. Both wakings feel identical to her. Some say 1/2. The coin was fair. She learned nothing new just by waking up. The coin's probability didn't change. Others say 1/3. When she wakes, she's in one of 3 indistinguishable rooms. Heads Monday, tails Tuesday. Only one is heads. From her point of view, the 3 wakings are equally likely. Only the heads Monday room is heads, so credence in heads is 1/3. It's a paradox about what probability even means. Is it about the coin, or about her experience? Decades later, philosophers still don't agree. The coin was fair. The puzzle is the perspective. Probability isn't always about the world, sometimes it's about the observer.